Hi, I'm primepalindrome. Welcome to another video. We're going to go into a form study on fabric, and when I was starting out with practice and to get better, to improve art, I always wanted someone to just show me the process of how to do form studies, because they're so good for your art. They let you improve. They let you improve really fast. So here is how I study cloth, how I study fabric, and I hope it's going to be useful to you, so enjoy! In the beginning, I like to just start off by dividing what I'm gonna draw into layers. I put whatever is gonna be in the foreground on the top layer and the rest underneath. That way you can work fast and efficient. The beginning is all about blocking in, getting big shapes on the canvas that represent what you're going to be detailing later on. The colors are also not too important, just take a desaturated color for the shadows and a little bit more saturation for the highlights. Don't forget to flip your reference and the picture, because your eye gets used to it and it doesn't see your own mistakes anymore after a while. It messes with you in the beginning a bit because you know, I have to start over. But it's just a better way to paint. I always try to keep in mind where the light's coming from. Here it's the upper right corner, or when I flip the canvas, the upper left, and it helps with placing the shadows. Another thing to keep in mind is to erase with the shadow color and the light color. So you're not using the eraser, you're just painting in the lines. When I want to make a highlight, I use the brighter color to make a line, and next to it I'll define that. I'll define the shape with the darker color. Sometimes I'll just cut away the entire shape. To make it neat, I use the polygonal lasso tool. Now I've put down my colors and I'm just going to use them to find out what the shape's doing. I'm not bringing in any more extra colors for this bit. It's just, I see a shape over here and I'm going to follow it. I see a line over here and I'm going to follow it. When I'm satisfied with the shape, I will go into the adjustment layers. You'll find them under image. And the most important are the ones that I like to use are brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, and color balance. And you can just shift the rulers until the effect looks pleasing. Remember, it's just a learning opportunity and it's to train the eye. Basically, what you do when copying from reference is you observe the shape and how the shapes relate to one another. You keep copying it until you're sick of it, and then you copy a little bit more, and you do this daily with different references, and that's how you improve. I'm going to speed this up a little bit more so you can see the whole process and the video doesn't take 3 hours. This is the finished picture. I went a little bit too much into the details for a study, but I'm happy with how it turned out. If you don't have time to do this every day, it's okay. Getting better at art isn't a race. I don't even think it's a marathon. It's more like climbing a mountain, and sometimes you just have to sit on a ledge and play Minecraft. Thank you very much for watching. If there's anything I can improve upon, just write me in the comments. And thank you very much. And maybe do some studies for yourself. Just Google fabric and drapes or wrinkled fabric, crinkled fabric. Go for it. It's very easy and you'll see you'll improve immensely. Goodbye.